Okay, what is the use case of UNI token? I don't understand the whole use to governance thing. Okay, well, I mean, governance in the sense that you can use the token to vote for how the decentralized protocol governs itself. So basically how it can make changes to the network, to the protocol. So whether you want to change different parameters on the protocol. So people in other protocols have had voting on whether or not to increase the token supply, whether or not to change the inflation schedule, whether or not to change the reward schedule, right? Or change the staking model, whether or not to do anything really, right? So it's kind of like having a Congress that is owned by the community, and a token represents their ownership and their amount of voting power they have, right? Now I haven't looked too deeply into Uniswap's governance model, but I did see on Twitter that YFI is trying to have their community delegate their votes so that they can all vote on how it's governed, or they can all vote in one block, I believe. And just give me 1 second here. Let me see if I can access the governance page on Uniswap. So if we go here, right? Okay, yeah. So there's a blog post on governance. Let's take a look real quick. So there's a 30-day governance grace period before I think governance can start. Now, yeah, this one. Okay, yeah, so there's distribution for the community treasury, and they can give out rewards to people who want to help build the network. And I think that can also be voted upon by the governance. So if they have a treasury fund and they want to have people, developers mainly, build new projects, or kind of like what Ethereum has with Gitcoin grants. Right? So if they want to give out grants, that can also be done through governance, it looks like. And it says governance assets. Yeah, so we hope to see a variety of experimentation, including ecosystem grants and public goods funding, both of which can foster additional Uniswap ecosystem growth. Okay, so actually here it says it will be live from day one, although control of over the treasury will be delayed until October 17th. So basically there'll be a treasury and the community can vote on what they want to fund to help build the protocol. And I think at a high level, that's kind of the main point of governance. And then also for any technological upgrades to their protocol. Bill, any comments in terms of governance for Uniswap or just crypto in general?
Well, I try not to think too much about governance, because if the SEC is going to get DeFi, it's going to get it with governance, right? They're going to claim it's securities or ownership or whatever. So I like the idea of having something that reflects the value of the entity, because I'm a free markets guy. These guys just got to make sure they're passing the Howey test, right?
Yeah. All right. Tell us what you think. Do you like the token model for Uniswap, or do you think it can be better? Tell us down in the comments.